Today we're having our annual New to One event where we welcome our newly certified employees to include teachers, school counselors, media specialists, and school psychologists. They're our cohort of new teachers coming to Richland One, and I do believe that there is wealth in having brand new teachers to the profession and also some veteran teachers. So coming to the district with some experience or no experience at all, we're just excited to have our new staff here.
Teachers like me who have been into teaching for the last 20 years and moving to country and coming to this school district, and they open the doors to encourage them to pursue and continue their teaching career, finding their future and making it happen with Richland School District 1. This conference gave me energy and positive vibes to get ready myself and start my first day of school from August the 1st, because Richland One School District is open to new talents. It's ready to encourage, and I would believe sky is the limit if you have the zeal.